Igniting Your Journey, the ultimate motivation and progress guide.
Ever wondered what makes a YouTube channel skyrocket to success? What if we told you there's a recipe, a combination of 10 key ingredients that can turn your channel into a sensation? Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to YouTube success. Starting off with ingredient number 10, authenticity. Authenticity is the cornerstone of successful content creation. It's about being genuine, staying true to your personality, and upholding your beliefs. Don't try to mimic someone else's style or voice. Your uniqueness is your strength. It draws people to your content and keeps them coming back for more. Authenticity creates trust, and trust fosters loyalty among your viewers. So let your true self shine through your work. Remember, the audience appreciates realness. Moving on to ingredient number 9, consistency. Consistency is like the heartbeat of your channel. It's not just about pushing out content, it's about doing so regularly. Having a consistent schedule not only conditions your audience to expect new content, but also signals to the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active and worth promoting. Imagine it like a TV show. Viewers tune in at the same time each week. Consistency is key to building and retaining your audience. Next up, ingredient number 8, high-quality content. There's no substitute for this one, folks. Your content needs to be well-researched, informative, and polished. It's not about churning out video after video, but about taking the time to create something truly exceptional. Remember, your audience can sense when effort has been put into content creation. It's about providing value, about teaching, entertaining, or inspiring. It's about content that stands the test of time. Quality always trumps quantity. Our ingredient number 7 is engagement. This goes beyond merely producing content. It's about sparking conversations, responding to comments, and encouraging likes and shares. It's about creating a two-way street with your viewers, making them feel valued and heard. Remember, people are more likely to subscribe to a channel where they feel a sense of connection and community. Engagement isn't just a box to check. It's an ongoing commitment to your audience. Engagement helps foster a sense of community. Halfway through, at number 6, we have SEO optimization. SEO, short for search engine optimization, isn't just for websites. It's a key ingredient for your YouTube channel as well. By using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you're helping YouTube's algorithm understand your content. This can boost your visibility, making it easier for viewers to find you. Think of it as setting out a digital welcome mat for a larger audience. Optimize your content, and the viewers will come. At number 5, we find collaboration. It's a powerful tool in the creator's arsenal, opening doors to fresh perspectives and innovative ideas. By aligning with like-minded creators, you not only share audiences, but also enrich your content with diverse viewpoints. It's a win-win. This approach can fuel creativity, broaden your reach, and even spark new friendships in the creator community. Remember, 2 heads are often better than 1. Collaboration can lead to exponential growth. Ingredient number 4 is unique value proposition. In the vast ocean of content, what sets you apart? That's your unique value proposition. It's about offering something distinct, something that only you can provide. It could be a different perspective, a unique skill, or even a new way of explaining complex concepts. It's not just about being different, it's about adding value in a way that's uniquely yours. Remember, in a world full of duplicates, originality is priceless. Your unique value is your secret weapon. At the 3rd spot, we have target audience understanding. It's like learning a secret language. You need to comprehend who's watching your content and what they're looking for. Are they binge-watching comedy skits or seeking educational tutorials? Understanding this helps you tailor your content to their preferences, increasing viewer satisfaction. Remember, it's not about creating content that you love, but rather, content your audience loves. So, dig into your analytics, study the trends, and decode your viewers' interests. Know your audience and cater to their interests. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is branding. Your YouTube channel is more than just videos. It's a brand, a digital representation of you or your business. A strong, recognizable brand can set you apart from the crowd, giving your content its unique flavor. It's the vibe that keeps viewers coming back for more. It's your logo, your color scheme, your style, and most importantly, your story. Remember, people don't just subscribe to content, they subscribe to brands. Your brand is your identity. And the top ingredient for a successful YouTube channel is passion. It is passion that sparks creativity, ignites dedication, and drives us to strive for excellence. It's the heartbeat of every successful channel, propelling it forward. Passion is the fuel for success. And there you have it, the 10 best ingredients for a successful YouTube channel. From passion to authenticity, consistency, and collaboration. Each ingredient is important, and when blended together, creates a recipe for success. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Keep creating, keep improving, and the success will follow.